If you want to disconnect Zapier from Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the Facebook connection from your Zapier account, step by step, so you can safely manage your app connections and keep your account organized. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it the right way so the connection is fully removed. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign in to the account that's connected to Facebook. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the App Connection section. This is where Zapier keeps track of all the apps and accounts that are linked to your profile. When you open App Connections, you'll see a list of your connected apps. Now find Facebook in that list. Next to Facebook, click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you more options for managing that specific connection. From the drop-down, click Delete. Zapier may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the connection, so go ahead and review the prompt carefully. Then click Delete Connection to finish the process. Once you confirm, Zapier will disconnect Facebook from your account. That means Zapier will no longer be able to access that Facebook connection for new automations or workflows. If you are using Facebook in any active Zaps, you may need to reconnect a different account later. If you want those automations to keep working, it's always a good idea to double-check your Zapier connections after removing one, especially if you use multiple accounts or apps for business workflows. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Zapier from Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.